All right, subclavian artery and vein right here. And then a branch off of the subclavian vein is cephalic. And then right about here, subclavian becomes axillary. And then axillary gives rise to two vessels, basilic, which is this one here, which really shouldn't be directly over the brachial vein and artery, should be a little bit medial. But this is one part of the brachial vein, and then here's the other part here. So it's these two skinny vessels side by side with the brachial artery sitting right on them and between them. And so those two little branches there that we're calling the brachial vein is coming off of the axillary vein, and then the axillary vein is coming off of the subclavian vein. Right, so it's essentially the same vessel, just going through different regions and getting different names. So cephalic you can follow all the way down, keeps going, 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 all the way down to the wrist. Likewise, we can follow basilic here, all the way down, running medially to the wrist. So this is a superficial vein, and this is a superficial vein. In fact, all of these are superficial. But of this big tangled web, there's three you need to know. It's basilic, cephalic, and median antebrachial right here. Now connecting cephalic to basilic is this piece right here, and it's running right in front of the elbow, and that's median cubital. So if you include median cubital as a vessel associated with the forearm, there are 6 veins that you would need to know. Median cubital, median antebrachial, cephalic, basilic, and then the 2 deeper ones. So just like the brachial vein, the ulnar vein has these 2 skinny vessels pushed up against the bone, and that would be the ulnar artery right between them. And then over here on the radius, same idea. There's a little small vein there, another one on the inside, and the radial arteries right between them. So for the arteries, you would start up here at subclavian, then it becomes axillary, then it becomes brachial, and then you have this branch here, which is deep brachial. And then brachial keeps coming down, you get to the forearm. So right in front of the elbow here, where it's going to split into the ulnar artery and the radial artery. So you can see the beginning of it here, and then it continues down the radius. And then the radial artery and the ulnar artery are going to form arches. Here's the superficial palmar arch. Oops, sorry. This is deep palmar arch. This is superficial palmar arch here. And the deep palmar arch is going to give off branches called metacarpal arteries, and the superficial palmar arch is going to give off branches called digital arteries. And then running alongside the digital arteries would be the digital veins. We do have arches for the veins as well. There's only one that's clear here, and that would be this superficial venous palmar arch. And that's everything.